Which Veda contains the maximum number of verses? Option A, Rig Veda. Which of the following is the largest fair in West Bengal? Ganga Sagar Mela. Option C. Next question. Bushu Jiba is a festival celebrated in the state of dash. A state loni. మనకి ఆప్షన్ బి నాగాలాండ్. Next, the Tamil language was declared as the classical language of India in 2004. Option C is the answer. Next question. Fifth question. Which of the following cities is famous for the iconic Kumbh Mela? Prayagraj. Option C. Next, how many stages of life are prescribed in early Hindu philosophy? Option A, 4 stages. Next, Sarhual is the main festival of the tribal population of which of the following states? Option A states kane. Option A, Jharkhand. Next question. Eighth question. Vishu is one of the very famous festival of which of the following states of India? Option A, Kerala. Next question. Ninth question. ఏమన్నారంటే dash is an Islamic finance term referring to the obligation that an individual has to donate a certain proportion of wealth anamata each year to charitable causes. Option B, jacket. Next, 10th question. Comment the answer for this question in comment section, friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. Comment the answer. Bye bye.